All right, welcome to La Mer Beach, everyone. And we're actually staying at Rove, right behind me. You can see the private beach here. That's a Rove only beach. And the whole patio is really well done by Rove. Really clean and fantastic and sort of overlooks the private beach. You'll have to pardon me speaking really slowly and being super relaxed. I'm in full relaxation mode. Ivana and I always talk about the difference between travel and vacation. Rove is straight vacation.
That's right.
Incredible relaxation. You can see our room is just pretty small, just a simple room to be honest, but it's really well done and the whole vibe there is really beachfront, the color scheme and the layout, and we have this beautiful view overlooking the patio area. There is a pool there, which is pretty nice because it's in the shade most of the day. And quite honestly, during the day, the beach is too hot for me. So we swim in the beach in the morning, we swim in the beach in the evening, but during the day we're in the pool. And actually the Rove has tons of facilities.
That's right.
So we've got a laundry room, we've got a gym, we've got a meeting room, we've got a bunch of different facilities, sort of like a resort.
Yeah.
It is like a resort. Now, our room is $100 American per night. We think this is great value, but I will say the food and the drinks, very expensive.
That's right.
So we did opt for the breakfast, which is 60 dirhams each person.
Yeah.
That's above and beyond the 100.
Yes.
So base room is 100, but if you want breakfast, it'll be more. I will say breakfast was really good
Yeah.
and really elaborate and really well done. But for lunch and for dinner, we've been eating around here because the food is very expensive. And we've been not drinking alcohol because it's something like 40 dirhams a beer. It's just a lot. But I will say the room is good value. So Ivana and I have been in the ocean. Really beautiful. This is La Mer Beach. There's tons of facilities here. I will say the water seems to be the saltiest water I've ever been in. Is it true that some salt water is more than other salt water?
I don't think so.
I might have made this up, but it feels like you can float so easily in that water.
But look at the color. It's just so beautiful.
It's really, really great. And there's a
Really
bunch of
nice.
activities here. There's like a water park over there, which we have
Yeah.
not been to, but it looks pretty epic, as well as a banana boat. And I think there's like
Jet ski.
jet skiing
all
and
that.
tons of activities. I will say Dubai seems to be family friendly.
Yes.
There hasn't been much like bros or like young people who are like frat guys trying to drink a lot. Certainly no drugs at all.
Yeah.
It's really been a family friendly beach. Relaxing and sort of wholesome, and a bunch of kids playing
Yeah.
around, making sandcastles. It's really been
Lots
great.
of restaurants around this area.
Yes.
Fancy posh
What's
restaurants.
really nice is with the Rove room card with the key, you get like 20% or 30% discount at some of the food locations around here.
Yes.
So Ivana and I had Five Guys burgers and fries for the first time ever.
Wow.
They say Five Guys might be the best burger in all of America, and honestly, it might be the best. It might actually be the best.
Best burger in the world. Yeah.
And after dinner, Ivana and I wandered along the boardwalk. Really, really nice at nighttime. The temperature is just right after the sun goes down, and there's lights everywhere and things happening. I will say it's a little empty. I think COVID times has slowed it down a little bit, but really, really great at nighttime. And I think now we'll go for a little walk along the boardwalk. There seems to be a rule. I'm not sure if this is a written rule, but if you're on the sand, you don't need a mask. But if you're on the boardwalk, people will say, "Hey, sir, please put a mask on."
Yes,
So
yes,
something about being on top of the sand, it makes it a COVID-free zone. But I think we'll go for a little walk along the boardwalk and show you all around the Rove.
Yeah.
It seems to be the Rove is the biggest one of the area, the biggest hotel.
Yeah.
It's a bunch of small little accommodations, and then the Rove is kind of on the end, stands out, massive hotel. And so far we've had a great experience. I'm in like slow motion right now. Everything I'm saying and doing, if I'm in slow motion. It's so relaxing.
All right.
But with that, let's go for a walk along the boardwalk, maybe get a cold drink because I'm ready for
Let's go.
something nice.
So during the day, this is very empty right now, but at night it will come alive with people just sitting on the patio enjoying some dinner and some drinks. and it's just got a really, really nice vibe here.
So interesting that the whole vibe here seems to match what the Rove has done. The whole feel of the whole area is the same. Even the front lobby of the vibe, it's got surfboards and the whole color scheme.
That's
really
right.
Fits. This place, this whole La Mer Beach is really well done.
Yeah, amazing.
It really feels relaxing. Everything about it sort of feels nice and relaxing.
Yeah, it's very well done, well organized, clean. It is built for tourists, I must say. They're ready for the tourists.
Even the showers are like buckets with water dripping out of them. It's just, everything is sort of nice and well done. All right, fully just ordered a lemonade and a smoothie from this very trendy black vehicle looking shop on the beach, and we didn't bring our wallet because who brings their wallet when they're walking on the beach? So that was a bit of a fail. We ordered drinks and he said how the price, and we said, oh, we have no money, never mind. Sorry about that. Anyway, let's go find a shady place to sit.
Want to do some shopping. Really nice area.
Really incredible. Maybe we'll sit right here in the shade, Ivana. I think Ivana said it right. Dubai is sort of set up for tourists. So now that we have no money on us, not the most to do, right?
We forgot our wallet in the room.
Duh.
But look at this area. Lots of restaurants.
I mean, it's super picturesque and photogenic and super well done.
Yeah.
They've done a really great job.
Really nice area around here.
And I will say our accommodation, the people there are really sweet, and I would recommend it.
Yes, yes. The service is top notch. Really nice room. If you guys want to save some money, just book the room and not the food. You can buy the food at the grocery shop. But I mean, we had a great time, and the breakfast was actually really good. Do you think it's worth the 60 dirham?
It's probably worth it, because to get out of the accommodation, walk along the beach and find breakfast, it's going to cost you a similar amount, and it's a bit of a hassle.
True.
So I would say $100 accommodation, but go for the breakfast.
Yeah.
And look at the cool stuff everywhere. It's like some kind of water park over here. Everywhere you look, there's some interactive kind of great stuff.
The cost around the area for the restaurants outside of the hotel is around 40 dirham, which is not so bad.
For a plate of food.
Yeah, for a plate of food,
Yeah.
it's not so bad.
So for the breakfast to be 60, it's sort of in the range, but the convenience factor makes it worth it. I mean, everywhere you look, there's just awesome stuff. You know, this is for some kids to play. Even this pipe has got the street art where the kids, like a straw or something.
Very cool design.
I mean, it's really well done.
Yeah, well,
This is a water tower that's got some kind of rotating shower on it.
for kids.
I mean, it's great. It's great.
It is great. And
I
would
think-
say the area is still affordable. It's not overly overpriced.
No.
Yeah, compared to Canadian prices, it's affordable. Oh, look at the water park. There's a water park right there.
Oh, this is the actual water park. Yeah. I mean, what a place to be in. It feels like it's built for tourists, like you said. They've really done it with tourists in mind. I will say we're still looking for the authentic Arab experience. I think we have a few things lined up for next week. But coming to Dubai and looking for authentic Arab is a bit like going to Vegas and trying to learn about America. It's kind of a unique place where it's all about fun and awesomeness. And I tell you what, it is fun and it is awesome.
Would you go out there, Steve?
I would, but it probably costs a lot.
Yeah.
Might not be worth it for me because I'm only halfway into it, you know?
Yeah. Well, I love playing at the beach. That alone was like
Yes.
really, really nice. The beach was a bit small, but it's still beautiful. The color of the water.
What I
is
would
really
recommend
good.
for a budget-friendly trip would be to stay at Rove and then bring some groceries in your bag. They got a fridge in their room and you can save your money on breakfast and then just spend all day at the beach. The beach is free. I mean, in terms of free things to do, the beach is one of the best.
Yeah.
It's really a world-class
If you
beach.
got access to the beach seats. The
Sure.
benches,
Yeah. The
and
private beach out
also-
front.
Yeah, the private beach and also the private pool.
Everything is so nice.
Ooh.
There you have it, guys. So I think you guys have seen what it's like on La Mer Beach. I will say it's empty, Ramadan, and also COVID.
Yeah.
So it's a double whammy. But you can imagine how lively this would be in Ramadan and non-COVID times.
That is very nice.
All right, there you have it, guys. So overall review of Rove, would say worth it, do it, nice hotel, 5 stars.
5 stars.
Boom.
The design there is amazing. You got
Yeah.
like surfboards on the main room. I was gonna say the balcony, but
What?
I was gonna say lobby, in the main lobby, not balcony.
There you have it, guys.
Everything is perfect.
Cool.
Love it.
All right, see you guys tomorrow. We do have some other videos on our channel of cheaper accommodations. So feel free to check out all different types of accommodations here in Dubai.
Yeah. Yeah.
There
I would
you have
say
it, guys.
The beach area though, really, really nice. 5 stars.
5 stars.
Hey.
Look at this. It's so nice.
Oh, I wish we got our wallet. I want some smoothies.
Ah, same, Ivana. Acai Express. Yeah, same. I want it. All right, guys. See you tomorrow. Look at this place. It's so great.
Oh,
With this.
let's go nuts.
Going nuts. There you have it, guys. All right. See you guys tomorrow. Say bye, Ivana.
You can even see the Burj Khalifa from here. Look at that.
Really nice beach, and then Rove kind of stands out on the end. Boomba.
Beautiful day.
There you have it.
Loving it.
Thanks for watching, guys.